Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone. And today in this video I'm going to answer a question asked by one of my students called Mohammed. Mohammed asked, what is the difference between jail and prison? Well, to put it in a simple way, they are nearly the same thing, but with some differences, and I was going to put it in a simple way, and that is that jail is for a short term, and prison is for long-term imprisonment. Okay, if we look at it from one angle, that is the difference. So people stay in jail for less than 1 year, and if they're going to stay for longer than this, for a longer period, they are sent to prison. People in jail are mainly the ones that have done, let's say, minor crime, not the major ones, okay? Because the major ones are mainly people who have done those things, have committed crimes, are sent to prisons to stay to be punished for a longer time. So they are in prisons. But people in jails are either the ones that have done minor things or the ones that are still in the process. They have appealed against the decision, they are going to court and coming back to jail, and they are kind of detained in this place so that they are found, if they are found guilty, or they are allowed to go, so then that they are kept in jail. So people who are still in contact and in talk, seeing their, let's say, solicitors or lawyers, and they are going to court and they are appealing against the decision, and it's not really clear if they are going to accept, if they are let's say announced guilty or not, are kept in jail. And sometimes they are also allowed to go by just through bail, okay, and they go, they are out there, but they are asked not to leave the country or the city, and they are in the same area till everything is clear. Sometimes people kept in jails are sent to court, and if they are announced, if they're found guilty, after that the the authorities take them directly to prison to start their, let's say, to go through their imprisonment. I mean, to go through the days that they are sentenced to imprisonment. Okay, so this is, let's say, the difference between these two. There are some other differences as well. Well, prisons are more equipped. There are more facilities over there. Things like showers and let's say even playgrounds. Sometimes I don't mean the kids playground. Some places to just do some exercises and to keep healthy. Yeah, there are some other stuff available in prisons. They are mainly larger areas, bigger places compared to jails, but mainly they are for punishment, so they are not that pleasant after all. Anyway, this was the difference in a couple of minutes. So if you go into more details, you might find more differences, but now I hope these two are a bit different to you. Now that you look at them, they are a bit more different, and it makes you more careful when you use them in your speech, in your daily usage. Anyway, this was today's video. I hope you've learned something from it, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.